everybody, it's Lori from Dee's, and I've got another great Christmas kit for you. Look at this adorable Merry Christmas swag. This would be so cute as a gift, hang on your front door, to hang somewhere in your house, hang it on a nursing home or a door at a rehab. That would be a great gift for someone there. So this is going to be a quick and easy project. So we're going to start out with this beautiful greenery. This is a nice piece of greenery, and it's got really long pine coming off. So this is nice and full. So we're just going to make sure that you fluff it up. That's really important. You always want to make sure your greenery is all fluffed and pretty before you get started on any project that has greenery like this in it. Now, inside of your kit, you are going to get this little tinsel tie. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on there right now so we have a hanger. So I can hang this on my board and stand back and look at it while I'm making. These boards are absolutely amazing. And if you ever are planning on doing a lot of florals, this is a great investment. These are available on our site at shopdeeslouisville.com, but they're so nice because you can just hang your wreath or your swag on there and then stand back and admire your beautiful work as you're working. It just really makes for a great tool to use. So we're going to start out with our beautiful Merry Christmas sign. And you can put this in there anywhere you want, but I like to let it kind of hang down like it's like a drop hanging off. And then we're just going to loop this greenery right around our sign here and twist that in there. And then I'm going to go back again and just kind of wrap a piece of greenery around that loop just to keep it nice and stable. So we've got our piece attached in there. Next, we're going to take this beautiful greenery. And this project's really easy because we're not going to be doing a lot of cutting apart or anything. Those are the things that I like the best because you can get things done much quicker. So this is a pretty little piece. It has a pine cone and the berries and some leaves. And I'm going to put just a little bit of glue on here. And I'm just going to tuck that right in there. Now you can also go back and take your greenery, and these are a great way to fasten things into wreaths. And you just twist that around there like so, and it keeps it in there nice and secure so that it's not going to come out. I just pop my berry off there. We'll put that right back there on that stem. Next, I have this really pretty little holly stem. Now, a lot of people like even Steven or things that are real symmetrical. I'm not a real symmetrical person, but if you want to, you could cut this apart in a couple of sections, but I'm all about just quick and easy. So we're just going to take this. Again, we're going to put just a little bit of glue on the bottom of that stem, and then we're going to slide this piece in here. Have that go back behind here. My berry just fell off. And we're going to twist a little greenery around there. So I have that one coming out that side. So we don't have this even Steven thing. But if that's what you like, you're free to do that. We're going to put a little glue on this berry, and I'm going to pop it right back in here. And then we're going to take our bow. You're going to have 3 ribbons that are included in your kit. So I absolutely love this one. It's one of my favorites. And we're going to make a tail, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. And let's put one more loop up in here. How about? And then that'll leave a nice little tail for over on this side. And then we have this really cute polka dot. And we're just going to put a strip of that in there. So I just laid that right on top there. And then that will trail off on this side. And then we're going to go in and add this real pretty green. Again, I just like to leave a little tail up there. Twist, pinch and gather, we're going to twist and pinch and gather. And then, of course, included in your kit is a piece of wire. And we're just going to wire this off. Just pull that nice and tight to keep your bow all intact. And then we're just going to use this wire to wire our bow right up here into our swag. And then you'll just twist that right around on the back side of that. Now you're going to want to go in and trim your tails. We've already got a couple of those tails are already trimmed, and you can fluff your bow up. And you can leave this as long or as short as you like. And I just kind of catch this over in here. You can take your greenery and kind of twist it around if you want. And that'll kind of help hang it into place, hold it into place. And then we've got this green one. We're going to trim that tail. And let that kind of get tucked over there. And of course we have our really cute polka dot. And the polka dot just adds a little more whimsy to it. You could leave that out if you wanted, but it's just a nice little addition. And I like the varying sizes of the ribbon in our piece. And then last but not least, we have this really cute holly stem. And this is just red with snow, and it's got these beautiful metallic berry balls in the center. And I'm just going to trim this off a little bit here. And we are just going to go in and tuck that right in here towards the center of our bow. Just place that right in there. And then you can go back and move your leaves around to anywhere that you would like for them to go. Go back, refluff your ribbons a little bit. Shape it however you want, and you have an adorable door hanger that says Merry Christmas. So this is a quick and easy project, and this kit and more are available at shopdeeslouisville.com. Stay tuned for more great ideas from Dees.